MJ here from Syracuse, New York. Just finished day one of drone command school. Totally met my expectations and beyond. Green to the business, have never flown a drone. Got into it 3 weeks ago, saw the ad, thought, is it another money grab? You know what? Let's give it a try. Let's see what this hype in this industry is about. Again, completely blew my mind on the content they are delivering. It's not about flying a drone, and this is what you need to do for the 107. Go here, go there. It is a complete encompassed, we're only through day one. A complete compass program. The Q&As were great. The foresight, the motivation, completely met my expectations and beyond. If you are truly looking to get in this industry and learn every aspect of it, whether it's starting a drone business or just wanting to be a pilot for hire, this is the place to be. So much content regarding different verticals, whether it's real estate, whether it's power lines, agriculture, weddings. The sky's the limit, guys. This is the place to be. If you're truly looking to tap into this market, now is the time. I can't wait for day two. I can't wait for day three. Highly recommend the VIP service if you can afford it. The Q&A and the one-on-ones after day one was on point. Again, guys, thank you so much. This is just open a completely new horizon, and I'm excited. I'm truly excited. So, ladies and gentlemen, Drone Command's the place to be. Great job, team. Hey guys, day two completion. A lot of information. It's you're talking 8, 9, 10-hour days if you get into the VIP chat rooms after, or the laser coaching. Just a ton of information and overload. Great information. Definitely take notes. That way you have bullet points to reference. It's a complete program, ladies and gentlemen. You want to build a business, this is the place to be. Again, like I mentioned the other day, it's not about just flying a drone and what equipment to pick. It's showing you how to build a business from the ground up, from literature and brochures, what catchphrases, how to engage with a customer, and find their wants, their needs, their hot buttons. You'll hear a lot of platitudes, which you see every day. They'll get into it. Like I said, websites, and choosing the right vertical and where to start. Remember, you got to scale responsibly. If you're looking to start a business and run it yourself, if you want to hire on drone operators, or if you're looking just to be a pilot and hire on with somebody else, there's so many opportunities in this industry, whether it's agricultural or real estate, hotels and resorts, to like I said, power lines. A guy came up with a great one today, which was with obviously the amusement parks and inspecting that. There's just so many different revenue streams. You may have an in a particular place, and that you want to focus on. So come in open-minded though. You might think of one industry and you might come out of it thinking another industry. So definitely have an open mind when you're here. The DC team is phenomenal. It felt like a family. Yesterday was a lot of the foundation that was laid. Today we built on it. So you started to see the superstructure come up together. Yeah, it's a life-changing opportunity that you can get into. There's a lot of the industries that I don't know how old you are, but some of those you wish you would have got into, whether it was the dot-com era or the blockchain era, and you missed out on. this industry is going to explode, and it's at the infancy stages. So I highly recommend the course. I highly recommend taking the 3 days. I would definitely take time off from work. It's a lot to process. Um, I'm tired. It's a lot to absorb. So definitely, if you're going to commit to it, and stay focused. Attend the course from A to Z every day, and you will retain and get a lot of information in making an intelligent decision on where to take this to. Um, Drone Command's the place. It really, really is. I can't wait for day 3. I mean, I don't even know what else they're going to teach. It's a lot. Good night, guys. Thank you so much. Hey guys, just finishing up day 3. Excellent, excellent course. I could not be more happy with my purchase. Totally meeting my expectations. I will recommend to everybody again. The team here is just on point. It has been truly exhilarating. I can't wait to get started in this business and go shopping for my new drone. A lot of great ideas. Day 3 did cover a lot of equipment, accessories, apps, third party apps, controllers as well. The batteries and controlling it from different active tracks to asteroid shots and just a ton of different stuff. I can't wait to get going here. So I'll be shopping Sunday, doing my business plan on Monday, and rocking and rolling. Drone Command team, thank you so much for this opportunity and being a part of this 3-day weekend. Excellent, excellent, excellent course. You guys are the best. Thank you so much.